During the holidays, when you have a billion dishes to make, the one thing that you want to take a shortcut on are the cranberries. And I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious cranberry sauce using a store-bought product that you're going to love. What's up, everybody? My name is Susie Weinrich and welcome to Mom's Dinner. Here we help adults feel successful at dinner time. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you subscribe. All right, we are making cranberry sauce that's perfect for the holiday season today. During Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever holiday you're celebrating that would require cranberries, you're probably also making a billion other dishes. And so to simplify this dish is going to be so helpful and perfect for you. And they're still gonna turn out really delicious and taste like they're homemade. There's one product that you need to buy at the grocery store, and that is going to be a whole berry cranberry sauce. You wanna make sure that you're buying the whole berry sauce because it's not just the jelly and the goo, it actually has whole cranberries in it, so it's gonna feel and taste homemade. This is gonna go really, really quick, so pay attention. You just need two 14-ounce cans of the whole berry cranberry sauce, and we're gonna pop that right into a saucepan that's just over like low heat. We're just gonna kind of heat everything together. Then we're gonna add in 8 ounces of crushed pineapple in juice. You wanna make sure you get the crushed pineapple in juice, not in syrup, and you don't wanna drain it. You want that juice and flavor in your cranberries. Now we're gonna zest 1 orange right down into the pan, and this is gonna add such a nice, fresh, bright flavor. You just need a microplane or a zester, and you can zest it right over the dish. Give it a tap every once in a while to make sure that you're getting all that zest down in there. And when you zest, you just want to zest until you start to see kind of a lighter orange color. You don't want to go down to the white. The white will start to taste a little bit bitter. Now you can save this orange in your fridge and use the juice or eat the inside of the orange later. Just because the peel's gone doesn't mean it's not still good. Now to add a little bit of holiday spice, we're gonna add just a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then we're gonna add in one of my favorite seasonings or spices, I guess, ground clove. I absolutely love ground clove, but it is very strong. And so you just want to add a little pinch is all you need. Now I'm just gonna give this a little stir and let it simmer and just warm together and have all the flavors come together for about 10 minutes. These look and smell absolutely beautiful. And so at this point, what you can do is taste your cranberries. If you feel like they need just a little bit more sweetness, what you can do is add a little honey or add a little brown sugar, or even white sugar will melt in there perfectly fine. If you like them a little bit tartar, you can squeeze a little bit of lemon juice or add a little lemon zest right into the pot. The nice thing about these cranberries is they can be made up to 3 days in advance. Pop them right in the fridge, keep them in there, and then just pull them out, give them a stir, put them in a pretty bowl, and they'll be ready to serve. I hope this recipe for whole canned cranberries helps you feel like a success at your holiday table. We'll see you next week.